Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about kayaking. Kayaking is not just about boating. It's about finding your balance with the water and silently connecting with nature. A kayak, a paddle, and endless water all around. This small boat is a symbol of immense freedom. But of course, remember, never go into the water without a life jacket. Along with the fun, it's also important to ensure your own safety as well as the safety of others. Kayaking is not just a fun adventure, it's also an excellent full-body workout. It relaxes the mind too. Gliding over calm water, the sound of the wind, the nature around you, all of these together make kayaking a natural stress reliever. And the best part is, kayaking brings us incredibly close to nature. Whether it's a river, lake, or sea, wherever you go kayaking, you get to experience the place in a completely different way. It's not only fun, but also a beautiful experience. On top of that, kayaking boosts local tourism. New spots become popular, local people get job opportunities, and it positively impacts the economy as well. Finally, I want to say, kayaking teaches patience and balance. Just as you adjust to the waves of the water, in life too, you must find your own pace. People often discover themselves while getting lost in this beautiful game of nature. Once you ride a kayak, you'll realize that peaceful moments in life are found not only on land, but also on the water. So friends, kayaking is not just about fun. It brings health, peace of mind, adventure, environmental awareness, and teamwork, all together creating an amazing experience. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. You are specially requested to subscribe the channel and press the bell button. See you again in a new adventure. This is Badshah Al-Fahad Piesh. And remember, life is meant to be explored. See you in the next adventure.